Now, Instagram TV could be the next big thing, but what if you don't want to upload with your phone, but you want to upload from a desktop PC or Mac? Not a problem. That's what we talk about today, how to upload to IGTV using a desktop format. Here we go. Hello and welcome back to another video. I'm Alan Spicer, and if you're looking to start your YouTube channel, grow your YouTube channel, or push your brand out there onto the second largest search engine on the internet, click subscribe, start creating. Now, Instagram TV is that new video sharing platform by Instagram. IGTV, owned by Facebook, is a vertical portrait style phone video sharing platform where you can either on the fly create little vloggy things, or you can create highly polished custom videos and upload them and push them out there to enhance your brand. After all, who wants to use a 5-10 second Instagram story clip when you can make a 10-minute video? But many people are coming up against the brick wall where, what if I don't want to upload using my phone? What if I want to make the video on my PC or my Mac and then upload it that way? Not a problem, you can do exactly what you've been doing previously, edit your video, and now upload via just the website directly. So first of all, record your video. This can be on your phone, or it can be with your webcam at a side or edited any way that you want. Now you go to the Instagram website and your own profile page. You will see that there is a new IGTV tab. You click on that IGTV tab, and then you'll see an upload button. When you click upload, you will see this page. This page is basically just like a YouTube upload page. It's asking you for the video, the file itself. They are currently suggesting on desktop uploads that it needs to be above 15 seconds long and less than 10 minutes long, and have a limit of around about 3 to 4 gig. In fact, this page directly suggests 3.6 gig. You can then choose a cover image or a thumbnail. This can either be from your PC or from the uploaded video and a frame. You get to choose your title and description, very much like a YouTube video. In fact, I even copy over some elements of my own description into the bottom of this, so therefore I've got my tags, my links, my affiliate details, that kind of stuff. And then if your Instagram account is connected to your business account, then you can choose to share it back through to Facebook, where it becomes a native Facebook video and not an Instagram TV video that is linked. And then you are done. It is live, you can go out there and you can share it wherever you want. But that is how you upload an Instagram TV video to IGTV using a desktop and not a mobile phone. For more tricks and tips for Instagram TV, hit that subscribe button. I put out regular YouTube tricks and tip tutorials on this channel, so hit that notification icon so you don't miss any of those. Go out there, start creating.